Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You should already be signed into the Outlook desktop app on the PC. Once done, turn off Focus Assist so banners can appear. Now open Outlook and go straight to File, then Options. This is where Message Arrival controls live. You'll set desktop alerts and sounds here. Make sure Windows notifications for Outlook are permitted. Starting here avoids wasting time on account setup and moves you directly to the settings that control visible, audible alerts. Once in Mail Options, check Display a Desktop Alert and play a sound so incoming messages produce a banner and noise. Next, create a rule for high-priority senders or subjects to trigger alerts only when it matters. That reduces noise and keeps you responsive. Make sure focused inbox settings match your alert goals. Messages routed to other might not show expected banners. Finally, enable the envelope icon and category flags so visual cues appear in the taskbar and message list. Now send yourself a test email to confirm a banner appears, the sound plays, and the taskbar shows the envelope. If anything feels off, adjust sound volume and alert duration in Windows and tweak rule filters for false positives. Finally, if alerts still fail, restart Outlook, sign out/in, and verify Windows notifications. Right arrow apps has Outlook enabled. Focus Assist must be off. That last troubleshooting tip resolves most issues. It's often a system-level block, not Outlook itself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.